Hello, my name's Norris.
I'm James, and we're going to be talking about how to design this piece. It's a special race pedal.
Alright, well, the type of mold that we're using is the wax mold because of the low quantity of, the parts we're going to use, the small amount of parts. We're going to do 20 to 50 pieces.
It requires 20 to 50
pieces, yeah, so that's why we chose the wax mold.
The type of metal we chose to use was a zinc aluminum alloy. We chose it out of aluminum copper-based alloy zinc, and based off their the pros and cons of each material, we chose that one because it's going to be easier. It's going to have a lower cost because it has a lower melting point, and is also good for high precision. And there's two different kinds to choose from of this zinc aluminum alloy. One of them has higher ultimate tensile stresses and yield strengths, but just depending on how you want to do your safety factor. The ultimate tensile strength for it was the ZA12 and the ZA27. The ZA27 has higher values compared to the ZA12, and the required ultimate tensile strength was 35 KSI, and for the ZA12 it's 45 to 50, and the 27 is 45 to 47. Our required yield strength was 25 KSI. The yield strength for the ZA12 was 39 KSI, and for the ZA27 was 37 KSI. So up to whoever wants to use this part, they can choose between those two. They're both acceptable. It just depends on how much stronger you want the material.
Alright. So the wax tree, the design is basically, if we look at this diagram that we have made here,
you see it's going to be like sort of a tree, like that. You're going to have them stacked on top of each other, one by one. And then, as you can see, this is a cross-sectional area, what it would look like. So as you can see from this would be the piece right here. So you can see there's another one right there, in there. And we're going to have the zinc aluminum alloy running through down in there. And as you can see again, there's the piece right there.
So basically with the design, we're going to have the pouring cup on the top, the sprue going down throughout the tree, and the sprue well at the bottom, and having the metal flow through the molds.
The design holds 36 to 40 pieces, so we really need to place special emphasis on that circular part in the middle because that's a pivot point. So that's the only part where we need to pay special attention to for the surface finish.
Yeah, so like once it's done with the mold, we're probably gonna have during the mold we're gonna have to put a start hole for it, and then afterwards we're going to actually penetrate the piece and put the actual hole in there. After it's done with the molding, we're going to finish the part, grind and finish it, and then that will complete the manufacturing of the part.
Thank you.